Tesla, once hailed as a trailblazer in electric vehicles and AI hardware, now appears to be shifting gears dramatically. Recent insider reports suggest that Tesla is disbanding its Dojo supercomputer team, effectively signaling the end of its ambitious in-house chip development efforts. The Dojo project, a highly touted initiative designed to revolutionize Tesla's full self-driving FSD capabilities, may be coming to a close, marking a significant pivot in the company's AI strategy. For years, Tesla positioned Dojo as a crown jewel of its technology stack, a proprietary supercomputer aimed at accelerating AI model training and powering both autonomous driving and humanoid robotics efforts like the Optimus robot. Industry watchers, including Morgan Stanley, once estimated that a successful Dojo rollout could add hundreds of billions of dollars in valuation to Tesla. This project was seen as a bold bet on vertical integration and chip innovation. However, recent signs show a clear change in direction. Dojo's head, Peter Bannon, is reportedly leaving, and Tesla is increasingly relying on external semiconductor partners such as NVIDIA, AMD, and Samsung. The company has even inked a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung to manufacture chips, underscoring a move away from solo chip development toward a more collaborative, outsourced approach. This shift is significant. It raises questions about Tesla's ability to maintain its cutting-edge edge in AI compute, especially in the fiercely competitive race for autonomous driving dominance. The departure of key Dojo team members to startups like Density AI further indicates a talent exodus that could weaken Tesla's internal AI capabilities. Meanwhile, Tesla faces leadership upheavals and growing scrutiny about its AI roadmap. How Tesla adapts to these changes will be critical for its future innovation and market leadership in autonomous vehicles and robotics. In this presentation, we will break down the details of Tesla's reported Dojo shutdown, the importance of the Dojo project, the implications of the Samsung deal, the ongoing talent migration, and what the future holds for Tesla's AI ambitions. Tesla insiders reveal that the company is dissolving the team behind its Dojo supercomputer project. This marks a dramatic end to what was once one of Tesla's most ambitious AI hardware ventures. Dojo was designed as a custom-built supercomputer capable of training Tesla's AI models, especially those powering the full self-driving FSD system, more efficiently and at scale. Peter Bannon, who led the Dojo team, is reportedly leaving Tesla, signaling that the company is stepping back from pursuing its own chip architecture. This departure is a critical blow to Dojo's future and confirms rumors that Tesla is abandoning vertical integration in chip development. The decision reflects Tesla's pivot toward relying on external semiconductor companies rather than building everything in-house. This move likely aims to reduce development risk, control costs, and accelerate time to market by leveraging established chip makers like NVIDIA and AMD. Tesla's shift away from its own custom AI chips may disappoint some investors and tech enthusiasts who viewed Dojo as a differentiator that would give Tesla a competitive advantage. Instead, Tesla appears to be doubling down on partnerships and supply agreements with external chip manufacturers. This news raises concerns about Tesla's long-term strategy and whether the company can keep up with rivals investing heavily in AI compute innovation. It also highlights the challenges automakers face when trying to develop cutting-edge hardware internally versus outsourcing. To understand the significance of Tesla's reported Dojo shutdown, it's important to grasp what Dojo was and why it mattered. Dojo was Tesla's in-house developed supercomputer project, announced years ago as a powerful AI training system purpose-built for the immense data demands of Tesla's FSD program. Unlike conventional AI compute reliant on third-party GPUs or chips, Dojo was intended to be a custom architecture optimized specifically for Tesla's neural networks. Tesla pitched Dojo as a key piece of the puzzle for achieving fully autonomous driving at scale. Faster training meant Tesla's self-driving AI could improve more quickly and reliably. Beyond FSD, Dojo was also designed to accelerate Tesla's work on Optimus, the company's humanoid robot initiative, signaling ambitions to expand AI compute beyond cars. Morgan Stanley analysts once suggested that if Dojo succeeded, it could add as much as $500 billion in valuation to Tesla by making the company a leader not just in EVs but in AI infrastructure. However, Dojo was a massive technical challenge. Building a proprietary supercomputer from scratch requires top-tier talent, massive investment, and flawless execution. No easy feat even for Tesla. The project's promise was huge, but so were the risks and costs. Tesla's reported decision to disband the team raises questions about the technical and business hurdles they encountered. Did Tesla struggle to make Dojo cost-effective? Was it unable to outpace established chipmakers? Or is this a strategic shift to reduce complexity and focus on core automotive software instead? Whatever the reasons, Dojo's fate marks a turning point. Tesla is stepping back from the dream of a fully vertically integrated AI compute stack. Elon Musk has hinted at a changing strategy for Tesla's chip ambitions in recent earnings calls. Instead of building everything internally, Tesla is blending in external solutions from industry giants. One major sign of this shift is Tesla's recently announced $16.5 billion contract with Samsung to manufacture chips for its vehicles and AI systems. Samsung's advanced semiconductor foundries will now supply Tesla's chips, representing a significant outsourcing move. This deal contrasts sharply with Tesla's earlier approach, which sought to build proprietary chips fully in-house through the Dojo project. Musk described the Dojo project as a big bet, suggesting it was always a high-risk, high-reward gamble. Now, with the Samsung deal and the disbanding of the Dojo team, that bet appears to have been lost or reprioritized. The Samsung agreement signals Tesla's intent to rely on best-in-class external chip technology to power its future cars and AI workloads. It leverages Samsung's massive scale, manufacturing expertise, and cost efficiencies. This pivot may allow Tesla to focus more on software innovation, data collection, and AI model development rather than hardware manufacturing headaches. But it also raises questions about Tesla's ability to differentiate on AI hardware and whether the company can maintain an edge in a highly competitive autonomous driving landscape. The Dojo team's dissolution has triggered a notable talent exodus. Around 20 key former Dojo engineers have joined a startup called Density AI, which focuses on building AI chips for data centers and robotics. This migration of specialized talent away from Tesla reflects the internal upheaval and the uncertainty surrounding Tesla's AI hardware future. Not only Dojo engineers, but some high-level Tesla AI and software executives have also departed, signaling broader challenges inside Tesla's AI division. For example, Tesla's former investor relations vice president has recently taken on an advisory role at Density AI, highlighting how this startup is attracting talent and industry expertise. The rise of startups like Density AI shows the growing ecosystem of AI chip development beyond major tech players. These smaller companies aim to innovate rapidly and fill gaps left by large corporations shifting focus. Tesla's internal shakeup and talent loss could slow its AI development pace and weaken its competitive position. It also underscores how difficult it is to build and retain world-class teams for highly specialized hardware projects. How Tesla rebuilds or restructures its AI teams in response will be critical to watch. With the Dojo project apparently shuttered and its lead leaving, Tesla now faces major strategic questions about its AI future. Tesla must increasingly rely on external chip makers like NVIDIA, AMD, and Samsung for the compute power needed to develop and run its FSD systems. This reliance could speed development but also reduce Tesla's hardware differentiation and vertical control. Leadership changes and talent departures have raised doubts about Tesla's ability to stay at the forefront of autonomous driving innovation. Tesla remains a market leader in EVs and has unique data advantages, but its AI compute strategy is clearly evolving. Market watchers will be closely monitoring Tesla's next moves, how it integrates external chip technology, how it reorganizes AI talent, and how quickly it can maintain its competitive edge in self-driving. Tesla's AI roadmap will be critical not only for the company's future but also for the broader autonomous vehicle industry. The stakes are high. Can Tesla pivot effectively, or will the loss of Dojo mark a turning point toward a more conventional, less differentiated AI approach? Only time will tell.